If you want to add a new page in SurveyMonkey, this tutorial will walk you through the process step by step so you can build your survey more cleanly and organize your questions the right way. Adding a new page is a simple but powerful way to break up your survey, improve the flow for respondents, and make longer surveys much easier to complete. So if this helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick software tutorials like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, go to SurveyMonkey and open the survey you want to edit. Once you're on the main SurveyMonkey page, click on your survey from the list so you can start making changes inside the editor. After the survey opens, scroll down through the editor until you find the option for a new page. SurveyMonkey organizes content into pages, so this is where you'll be able to separate one section of your survey from the next. When you see New Page, click it to insert a fresh page into your survey. This is especially useful if you want to divide questions into different sections, keep your survey organized, or reduce overwhelm for the person filling it out. Next, after the new page has been added, click on Add Content. This is where SurveyMonkey lets you start building out that page with questions, text, and other elements. If you want the page to begin with a question, choose Question. If you just want to add instructional text or a heading, you can choose Text instead. And if you already have questions prepared somewhere else, you can use copy and paste questions to move them in quickly. This gives you flexibility depending on how you want to structure your survey. Once your content is added, you can continue building the rest of your survey by repeating the same process whenever you need another section. Adding pages in the right places can make your survey feel much more professional and easier to complete, which often leads to better response rates. It also helps you stay organized as your survey gets longer or more detailed, so the basic process is really simple. Open your survey, scroll to New Page, add the page, then use Add Content to insert questions or text. If you're following along and this video is helping you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel because I post more straightforward tutorials just like this one. And that's how to add a new page in SurveyMonkey. Quick, easy, and a great way to keep your surveys neat and user-friendly. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.